Hello shoppers, we have received this amazing 3D printed dragon for the evaluation purposes, and we would love to share our personal opinion. So let's open up the package. As you can see, the package is very colorful, very beautifully packaged. So here is our product, guys. Look at them. Rani, look. Wow.
Why?
Look at this excitement.
Why?
Oh, be careful. Put it on the table right here. So, guys, look how amazing these dragons are. Can I show it? So, we have two dragons. As you can see, they are 3D printed, and these dragons can be a perfect decoration for the table. It is a perfect Easter basket stuffer. They are very nicely designed, very beautiful. Make sure to check them out.
Braga. I'm done. I'm done.